Hello, my name is Corey Steiner, Customer Support Manager for Keystone RV, also servicing Dutchman and Crossroads RV. Customers sometimes share concern when seeing small bumps under the roof material. These are common and can almost always be attributed to minor imperfections in the roof decking, the OSB, small pieces of wood debris, or staple heads that are not completely flush, which manifested during the construction process while attaching the roof decking. Rest assured, the roofing material we have chosen for your RV is a polymer membrane that is extremely resilient, so this type of thing will not cause harm or puncture the roof material, nor will the material rust or corrode. To help you understand how resilient this material is, let us demonstrate. While the seams, joints, and attachments on the roof do require periodic maintenance, other than periodic washing, the roof material itself does not. As a precaution, it is important you know the height of your RV and avoid contact with trees and other overhead objects, because with impact, damage still could occur, which I'm sure you can appreciate would be outside the terms of the warranty. And remember, we are always here to help.